Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Halal Foods Kitchen and today we're making the yummiest and easiest pizza sauce. We're going to start with some olive oil, peeled and chopped tomatoes, and we're going to leave this on a medium heat for around 15 to 20 minutes until it will be soft and it will look just like that. And now we're going to start with the flavoring, some salt, some sugar, black pepper, stir that well, oregano, dried basil, give it a mix, and don't worry if it doesn't mix well because we're going to use a hand blender to blend everything nice and smooth all together. And this is some paprika. If you like it spicy, you can add some cayenne pepper or chili flakes. It depends on how you like it. Some garlic powder, and then followed with some onion powder. And that's it. That's all what we need. Give it a mix. And you can adjust the flavors as you like. You can taste it later on and adjust the salt and pepper and sugar and whatever you like. Give it a good blend with the hand blender. And finally, tomato puree. If you're using tomato puree, you will need around half to 3/4 of a cup of the puree. If you're using tomato paste, so 1 or 2 tablespoons will be quite enough. Give it a good stir and leave it on the medium heat for around 10 minutes and then give it a taste. And believe it or not, your pizza sauce is ready. After around 10 minutes on the medium heat, it will look just like that. You can keep some in the freezer, so it will be ready for you to use at any time. Keep some of it in the fridge if you're using it in up to 3 to 4 days. If you like the recipe, please give it a try and leave me a comment down below. And see you in the next recipe. Thank you for watching.